Hey guys, Rogers Motor Cars here. Want to do a quick walk around video of this 1985 CJ7 that we just finished up. Let's take a look. First thing we started with was the motor. We did a tune-up on this thing. It's the 4.2 liter. We did brakes also, power booster, water pump, radiator, all the stuff that we needed to do to give it a good tune-up. On the undercarriage, we just used a wire brush. This was a frame on, so we used a wire brush to clean that up, and then we did the Eastwood chassis coat on the bottom. Then we went to the body shop. Now this truck was a ranch Jeep, and it sat on a ranch for a long time. It was all beat up, so we took it down, stripped it all the way down the metal, and did a full paint and body. That is the honey brown metallic paint on there, and it looks gorgeous in the sun. We take a closer look at these stripes. These were the stripes that were on the Jeep that were bought back. These were aftermarket back in the 80s, and the customer wanted to replace them with the same thing. You can't buy these anywhere, so what did we do? We went to our vinyl wrap people, and we custom designed these exactly how they were originally. Down the side and on the hood, came out beautiful, absolutely perfect. A lot of tries to get it just right, but we got it just right. We open up the inside. Just cleaned up these door panels. We got new handles, new window rollers. We got new vents in here. Cleaned all this up, repainted those inside door panels as well. And the seats, they look absolutely beautiful. All Laredo style, rewrapped. And they're very comfortable, very nice. We did a Bluetooth radio in here and a couple of speakers so that he can enjoy the music when he's out riding around with his family. Put some new knobs here on the dash and just kind of cleaned all this up. All the gauges were already working, so we didn't have to do anything there. We left them the way they were. Replaced the knobs here. This is an OEM console that we just painted with some color bond, and we did the same thing here. This was all faded. Just kept the original, repainted it. When it comes to the floors, really old rhino lined inside. We had to strip all that down, and we re-rhino lined this and painted it to match the rest of the Jeep. Came out really nice. Repainted all the rear swing arm, everything, coated that with Eastwood as well. And then the wheels and tires, those are the original wheels, and those just got polished up real nice. They came out great, the chrome wheels. And we threw on some nice big fat 33-inch tires, brand new. And we did a 2.5-inch BDS lift kit on this, and we are really happy. Customer's really happy, and he's excited. And we can't wait to do the next one. So thanks for watching. If anybody wants something done, give us a call. We can work with your budget. You don't have to have $1 million in the bank to rebuild one of these. He got this done for less than you would think, and he could still sell it and make money from what we did. So give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about your project, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.